What's up, Red Clay? Red Clay family. What's up, YouTube? So I'm getting off of work. Finna get in the truck. Head straight to the woods. I got my clothes in the back. I'm gonna have to change in the truck. Soon I get there. I'm gonna have to change in the truck soon I get there. But I'm headed to the woods. Big buck on camera this morning, man. Early this morning, got a big buck on camera. Nice 10-pointer. I'm just hoping he come back through this evening, man. I got a 35-40% chance that he come back through this evening. Almost toward last light. But then again, the time of the year is in, the rut is on. Shit, I don't know if he gonna come through or not. He may not come back through. I just know I had a big ass buck come through. I just got him a blind. I got in here. Right at about 3:45, 3:50. Got out of work about 3 o'clock. Sitting down in my blind about 3:50. It's moving, baby. The temperature done dropped a lot. So I'm bonded up, but I'm not. I really just want to keep my head cold. I shaved my head last night, so I'm just trying to keep my head warm. That's why I got on two masks, 2 ski masks. I shaved my head about 2 days ago. I just want to keep my head and ears warm. But, oh man, let's go on that big boy to come through. Y'all stay tuned. What's up, Red Clay family? As y'all can see, I'm back in the woods today. Attempting an ambush. I got a big buck, an old buck. He gotta be like 7, 8 years old. I call him the old man. I seen him twice last year. Early season around like October. Then he just disappeared on me for the whole season and all year long. But guess what, y'all? He just popped back up this morning at 8:30 a.m. Literally like 30 yards in front of my blind. About 8:30 this morning, headed south. They got a little ag field. The neighbors got a little ag farm and field. About 200 yards that way. And I know for a fact I've been trying to pattern this deer. I feel like he's bedded northbound in the thicket. It's a real thick area down like 200 yards north of me. Still on my land. Behind an old abandoned family house. And nobody never really goes around. I feel like he bedded over there. And he walks south to feed and look for does and little doe pockets. There's a huge ag field over there, so I feel like he goes south to do that. So I'm set up west of his travel range. We currently got a north, I'm set up east of his travel range. And the wind is blowing like northwest kinda. So I'm hoping he follow his same southern pattern back and north with the wind blowing to his back and away from me. Not towards me, not behind me. I'm sitting on the side of where the wind direction is blowing. So he won't be able to smell me until he get past me. By then it'll be too late. So I'm gonna sit up, set up, get quiet, and try my best to do everything I can not to make this deer circle around me, but walk back through his same travel quarters, going back north to bed down for this night. I don't know, sound like a good plan. What y'all think? Give me some feedback, man. What y'all think about that plan? So y'all, there's a ridge that drop off right here. Right here off this land, you fall straight down. And on that side, it's the same way. There's a ridge drop off right down there. So I'm really like on the nose of this ridge right here, y'all. At the top. Deer like to travel from north to south, from south back to north. I feel like they feed over there, bed over there. They feed over here, chase those and breed over here, and they bed over here, dying off that ridge. So, got my fingers crossed, hoping I catch him. He was literally standing right there this morning in front of this rock. So, headed south. So I'm praying that I can catch him going back to the house. Right in my lane. It's that Death Valley right here, baby. If I catch him crossing Death Valley, it's a wrap for him. I'm gonna retire the old man today, y'all. So I'm gonna sit back, get quiet. I rush to these woods fresh off of work. I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Don't eat all my food. This one don't eat everything, yo. If this don't stay up there 5 minutes from now, I'm gonna go and take him. I might just sit tight and wait on my boat. This doe is still down there eating, y'all. She right in front of, she right in the middle of Death Valley. She right in the middle of Death Valley. 3 big ass raccoons down there feeding right now. I want to kill one so bad, but I just can't mess up my hunt. I don't want to mess up my hunt. I want to kill them raccoons so bad. I just don't want to mess up my hunt. But yeah, this is day 3 of me chasing an old man. I feel like today is the day. I feel good about it. I got a perfect win. He's been showing up in the evenings, right before dark, or right after dark. So I feel like I'm right on top of him. He finna pop. He gonna come early today for me. He gonna pop out early today. Watch this. But yeah, it's Friday. Just got out work for the week. Finna be in these woods all weekend. I wanna kill these coons, man. It's like 3 big ass coons. Eating all my goddamn corn and shit. Oh no, they ass up so bad. They down there digging too, boy. There's a big one that popped his head up. The big one right there. That bitch big. How big that goddamn coon is. That bitch big. That motherfucker big, y'all. That's a big ass coon, and he eating good. He was sniffing the air trying to see if he smelled some danger or predators. I got a perfect win. I got into the woods quiet. Sand raccoons. Soon I get in, bean ain't spook shit, and the woods will still come.